Hello, traders. Today is Wednesday, May 6th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and we're on the daily time frame to start with. So on the US dollar Swiss, we had a nice little push down last night in the Asian session because of an announcement that Trump made in the middle of the night. Or at least for me, it was the middle of the night because I live in Europe. But anyways, I mean, technically, this is in the direction of the trend, and if this really is a wave C, like I've been saying, it could be. This could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 1. This could be a 2. This thing could literally be in a wave 3 right now, and it could go all the way down and take out the previous lows. So the trend is definitely down based on structure. The trend is definitely down based on market flow. The problem is a lot of times these Trump announcements, by the end of the day, it ends up all the way back up to where it started. So I really wouldn't be surprised if it does go back up. And it would honestly make more sense to me for this to at least make a three-way pullback. But the market knows best, and the market is definitely down. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, this is where you want to put your Fibonacci retracement on the 1 to 4 hour time frame on this last move up. This move up does look potentially like a trend, like it could be a wave A or a wave 1. This move down could be a pullback to that move up, like a wave B or a wave 2. The 78% is really the last chance it has to turn. So this is your current structure. If it goes up and breaks that, then we're likely going up for either a C, which would go up to either the 61 or the 78% and then break down, or it's going to be a wave 3. If it's a wave 3, it'll just keep on making higher highs, higher lows. The problem with this analysis is it's extremely counter trend. The trend is down on the daily, and it is down based on market flow and market structure. That means that this could make a lower high, go down, make a lower high, go down, and keep on going down. That's why we are going with the market flow, and we potentially are going to look for shorts unless we get the nice break to the upside at a Fibonacci level. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.